डायोसिसन सोसायटी शिक्षक कामगार असोसिएशनान वेगवेगळ्या मागण्यां खातीर मुखेलमंत्र्याची भेट घेवपाक पत्रां केल्यात. मॅनेजमेंटान सरकाराचे नेम खुटयाळाक लायल्यात अशें म्हणत बायल कामगारांक तांच्या भुरग्यांक सांबाळपा खातीर सुटी मॅनेजमेंट दिना म्हूण ह्या कामगारांनी कागाळ केल्या. मुखेलमंत्र्यान तांकां वेळ दिवन तांच्यो समस्या सोडोवपाच्यो अशी मागणी आझाद मैदानाचेर एका दिसाचे धरणे धरून केली. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली.
For a long period of time, say from January, we are trying to get an appointment with the management. We've written to them a number of times, but all our pleas have been totally ignored by them, and hence it has been the need today to come out in the open and fight for our rights. Now, some of the many things that we want to bring to the notice is that we feel that the management is misusing the minority status under the garb of minority status. In fact, the minority has been harassed by them. We are not been given childcare leave. We are not been given extraordinary leave, whereas all other institutes, all other government offices enjoy childcare leave, enjoy extraordinary leave. It is only here employees of the Diocesan Society of Education who are not given childcare leave. In fact, I went to Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Commission said that childcare leave was to be given, but ultimately the diocese said that it is a service matter and human rights cannot involve themselves in this case. Then the matter was, in fact, they took it up with the High Court. The High Court granted, said that the judge stated that since it is a minority institute, a Catholic-run institute, they should be sensitive to the needs, and it was, the judge stated that leave should be granted. However, after 2 months, I was informed that since I am a senior teacher, leave cannot be granted to me. So it was contempt of court. It was contempt on court on their part. Secondly, career advancement is not, there is no timely career advancement. Unwanted transfers. If you fight with the management or if you try to pick up on any point with the management, then you are transferred from one point of COA to the other. Confirmation letters are not given to employees. Okay, it is the rule that after the period of probation is over, employees have to be given their confirmation letters. However, we find that employees, even after completing 8 years of service, have not been given confirmation letters. This problem has been going on for years together, for
11 years.
For almost 11, 12 years now.
So as a last resort, today this core committee, core group, we are gathered here so that we can put across our demand through you. There are various issues, as you said. Many cases pending with the management wherein the decision is not yet taken. So to press some of this demand, we are gathered here. Now this is a last resort. We tried our level best to meet the management, but they have not given us any appointment as such. So this is a peaceful demonstration.